Honestly speaking, India will chew Pakistan in upcoming 10 years. If Pakistan is not able to develop its own jet engine, as India has developed isothermal forging technology, with this development, India has joined the League of Limited Global Engine Developers, which is only held by United States, France, Russia, even China is not able to produce this technology. And for its arch rival Pakistan, Pakistan can never imagine to develop jet engines even in dreams, because the total expenditure that India has pushed in this project is 15 times more money that whole Pakistan earns in 1 year, and this took India 30 years to build. Defense Research and Development Organization has established the near isothermal forging technology to produce all the 5 stages of high pressure compressor discs out of difficult to deform titanium alloy using its unique 2000 MT isothermal forge press. The press released by Indian Ministry of Defense said on Friday. This is an important milestone in the development of indigenous technologies for the production and thermomechanical process of high-temperature titanium alloys for aerospace applications, which DRDO is reaching along with Midhani and HAL. Developed by Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory of DRDO, the statement said this is a crucial technology for establishing self-reliance in aero engine technology. The HPC discs form a very important part of the jet engines, on which the compressor plates are mounted. These discs are mainly made from titanium alloys, which can withstand high temperature and pressure. The disc must be very strong and free of even minutes of imperfection, which if present can develop into fractions under extreme stress during engine's operation. The DRDO's gas turbine and research establishment has been working in collaboration with other research labs to design and develop India's first fighter jet engine, Kaveri, but there has been very limited success in the last 3 decades. But for now, it has been fully completed. The first Indian fighter jet engine produced 81 kilonewtons of power afterburner, while the first Chinese WS-13 produced 84 kilonewtons of power afterburner.